Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Adopt Me.
I'm joining.
I just bought a new house.
And which cost like 17 billion.
Robux.
Well,
Why
not
is my-
17 billion, but like a lot.
Yeah, so guys, I wanted to tell you that I am saving up for something. Oh, my 10-day login streak.
I am giving her, once I get more Robux, I'm gonna give her something.
Claim.
Oh,
Finally,
I have a lot more than you. I have like 100 more than you.
Finally, I have a propeller.
I have a propeller. Oh, you already have a lot, like no pets.
Jump to stop propeller.
Aren't they fun?
I believe that it would be. Now I see.
Just saying, she's playing on tablet, and that might be hard for me. I'm
So guys,
Guys, I have her dream pet, and I'm not like.
show them the dream pet that I want so bad.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm coming.
Okay, so come with the dream pet. I really want the dream pet.
I'm
I'll
going
be
to give it to you soon. Once, like. Oh my God! It's not letting me teleport.
I'm in
to
your
you.
server, but I'll just teleport to you.
Okay, she's teleporting to me and leave.
Okay,
It doesn't really let me teleport to anybody. Really?
guys, my dream pet is
Right here. Oh my God.
unloading there. It'll show up.
Oh my
in a minute.
gosh. Okay.
My dream pet is a griffin.
Yeah.
I really want a griffin.
I know, it's so...
It's so cute though, and people don't like it. That's why I want it. Okay, I'm gonna create a family.
Yeah.
So join my family so then I can hold it. I want to hold it.
Okay, so we're in a family now. He's so cute. Oh my God.
Where's the pet room where I can feed?
Let me see if I got Robux. I just want to check. Let me see. I don't think oh yeah. Oh, I do have Robux, but I can't afford the griffin.
Yeah.
I got premium monkey box, but I'm gonna ask for some Robux in a little bit. So,
But your mom, I only got it today because my dad forgot to give it to me yesterday, so he doubled up.
yeah, but I'm getting you your dream pet.
True. But that was the